I think what matters most in a great meeting depends on who you are. At Jabra, we are really passionate about making sure that all meeting rooms are secure, that they are scalable, and that they're straightforward to configure. And I think that matters greatly to IT teams across the globe. If you're like us, taking part in multiple meetings throughout the day, probably more than you care to admit to, then I think what matters is feeling included in that meeting and being productive in that meeting. For quite some time, we've instinctively known that that's the case, that if you are visible in a meeting, you feel more included and your performance and your engagement is higher. But for the first time now, thanks to some research which we've pulled together with a third party, then we've got the data to back that up as well. This was a piece of research which we conducted with the London School of Economics, and it really asked the fundamental question: does being seen and being visible in a meeting improve your performance? And the answer was a resounding yes.
Really, for meeting rooms at the moment, we need to look at several different factors when we're considering meeting room solutions. Firstly, we need to look at the camera in there. Does it actually cover the whole meeting room? Does it pick everyone up within that meeting space? Secondly, then we need to look at the audio. Is that picking up everyone within there? We also need to make sure that it is a future-proof technology, something we invest in today. We need to make sure that in 5 years' time, that is still going to be a piece of equipment that we can still use within there. And then finally, it needs to be a flexible solution. So it needs to be easy to install. It needs to be something that people come into the room and then simply can pick up, start within 10 minutes. And at Jabra, we also believe that that should be something that you can actually provision within the box. What if we can have a solution there that they can actually plug in the box and then be able to actually send that out to a customer site, or if you are the customer itself, actually send that to one of your other sites, pre-provisioned, ready to just place and install on the wall. In terms of the PanaCast range, we're now launching the PanaCast 40 video bar system in response to the challenge with what a lot of companies are seeing in terms of their small rooms out there. And this actually forms part of a wide range of products as well. So we have the PanaCast 50 video bar system, which is those slightly bigger rooms, so the medium-sized rooms. And then also beyond that, we have different options for BYOD. So if you just wanted to come into the room, plug in your cable, or if you wanted to have a Windows-based system, because your company is not ready for their Android-based systems yet, we have those too. So we have something there that should cater for everyone's needs.
I think the other thing to keep in mind is that now, when the world is facing these sort of macroeconomic challenges, is really to think about total cost of ownership. I think there is always a capital outlay, but now with solutions which make deployment quicker, faster, easier, more straightforward, there's never been a better time to actually equip meeting rooms of all different sizes.